12:35 on this Sunday afternoon, May 25th, 2014. On Sunday afternoon, it's time now. Follow Waterman Judiciary PJ Wiggins, the afternoon report. Sunday afternoon, May 25th, 2014. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 12:35 p.m. Temperature 66 degrees with a humidity of 61%. Wind speed west about 5 miles per hour. Barometer is 30.8 inches. Jupiter about 52 degrees and visibility of 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of batches of rain showers around Holden and around Worcester and up in the Fitchburg and Leominster and up in the near Jeffrey, New Hampshire. Lines of rain showers around the Bradley Airport of Windsor, in Connecticut and stretching in west of I-91 in west of Springfield and all the way up into the central Berkshires and stretching it down for southeastern Vermont. And a couple of blobs of rain showers west of Manchester, New Hampshire, and eastern portion of New Hampshire, and up in northwestern Maine. A couple of batches of rain showers in north central Nova Scotia. Down the rain showers off the Nova Scotia coastline here, and the southeastern portion of Nova Scotia. And a couple of batches of rain showers in central and eastern and western portions of Quebec, and stretching it down to Ontario, and stretching down for southern Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and northeastern portions of North Dakota. And stretching down to western portions of Saskatchewan, and north central portions of Alberta, down for eastern portions of British Columbia. And a lot of rain showers from storms from southeastern portions of Tennessee, down for Kentucky, southern Indiana, down for western and portions of Illinois, down for eastern and western portions of Iowa here. And a line of rain showers in central portions of South Carolina. Showers and thunderstorms from west central Texas up to Oklahoma and down to Kansas, and a lot of rain showers in the northwestern portions of New Mexico, down for northeastern Arizona, and stretching out to eastern Utah, northwestern Colorado, and down for southern Wyoming. And rain and sleet and snow around central Colorado here, and rain showers in east central portions of Colorado here. And rain showers in western portions of Washington and northwestern Washington, down for southern British Columbia and northeastern Washington, down for southern portions of British Columbia, and rain showers in eastern portions of British Columbia, down for north central Alberta. Baytown, Texas. Good evening. Good afternoon. 61 degrees with overcast, guys. And let's take a look at the St. Louis radar area, and it shows light to moderate rain around the St. Louis area, but we see some yellow bands of moderate rain around Granite City, Illinois, Oldenburg, Hartford, and around Edwardsville, Illinois. Yeah. Let's take a look at our satellite loop here.
Ninth position, and he's moved up to fifth. Indeed, he is on the move, Alan. And back on Carb Bay, when the track temperature was 109 degrees, he came in and did something very different. They changed the rear shocks or dampers.
We're going to take a look at our satellite loop. It shows a couple of batches of clouds covering Maine and the Anfield Line in Canada. Another batch of clouds for Quebec, stretching down for Ontario and northern Great Lakes, and stretching all down to Canada, and stretching down for British Columbia, down to western Montana, down for northern Idaho, down for Oregon and Washington State. And another batch of clouds covering from Manitoba, stretching down to the Dakotas, down to the Plains States, and down for Texas, and stretching down southwest down to the Rockies, stretching down southeast from Iowa, stretching the Mississippi Valley, down for Kentucky, Tennessee, and down for South Carolina here. And blobs of clouds from eastern and central portions of New York State. Okay, let's take a look at our map situation here. Stationary front from eastern Oregon, stretching down in Idaho, and a cold front from Wyoming, down for South Dakota, and stretching down in North Dakota, and down for southern Manitoba. Cold front from eastern Alberta, down for southern Saskatchewan, down in Manitoba, and a warm front down for Ontario. Cold front from northeastern Ontario, down for Quebec, and a warm front down to Quebec. And a stationary front from Kansas, stretching down Missouri, down for Mississippi, down for Alabama, down to Georgia, and stretching to northern Florida, down to sea. Further by down for California, further by from southeastern California, down for western Mexico. Further by from eastern Colorado, down for western Texas, and north central Mexico. Further by from south central California, and down to sea. And we got low pressure in western Pennsylvania and North Carolina, and the Gulf States, and northern Mexico, and Colorado. While we're seeing the bands of low pressure from Mississippi and much of the greater southwest and down for California here. And further by from southern Utah, down in Arizona. Further by from northern Oregon, and up in central Washington, down for southern British Columbia. Further by in northern Montana, and down for Alberta. 59 degrees on temperature out of Boston, 79 out in Washington D.C., 84 in Atlanta, 87 in Miami, 83 in Brownsville, 79 in Dallas, Texas, and Kansas City, 77 in Chicago, 74 in Minneapolis, 62 in Great Falls, Montana, 54 in Seattle, 66 out of Salt Lake City, 59 in Denver, 57 in Albuquerque, 66 in Los Angeles, and 63 in San Francisco. Here, let's take a look at our map situation. Current conditions around the region, we got 59 degree temperature reading for Boston, it's 59 for Bedford and Beverly, 66 for Pittsburgh, 57 in Gloucester, 64 in Worcester, 69 in Sturbridge and Webster, 65 out in Milford, 61 in Norwood, 66 in Taunton, 63 in New Bedford, 63 in Falmouth, 63 in Martha's Vineyard, 52 in Cape Cod Bay, 53 out in Nantucket, 57 in Chatham, 61 in Provincetown, 57 in Lockdown, 62 in Australia Rhode Island, 63 in TF Green and at Smithfield Rhode Island, 73 out of Springfield, 69 in Amherst, 70 in Greenfield, 69 in Pittsfield, 71 in Albany, 67 in Remington, Vermont, 70 in Keene, New Hampshire, 67 in Jaffrey, New Hampshire, 63 in Concord, 60 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 64 in Nashville, New Hampshire, 61 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 54 in New Hampshire Bay, 53 out in Boston Harbor, 72 in Windsor Locks, 72 in Hartford, 73 in Meriden, 70 in Waterbury and Danbury, 71 in New Haven, 68 in Bridgeport, 75 in New York City, 72 in Islip, 57 in Long Sound, and 59 out of Montauk. Okay, let us take a look at our forecast discussion in New England. There will be a slight risk of some severe thunderstorms over parts of the Southern Plains and heavy rain possible over portions of the Southern Plains. And upper level low over the Southern Rockies will slowly move eastward to the Southern High Plains by Monday. Circulation the system will be aided to draw on moisture northward from the western Gulf of Mexico over the plains and the triggering showers and thunderstorms over the parts of the southern and central plains and into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley. Monday evening and to the center of the upper level low, rain and afternoon and evening thunderstorms and showers will be developing over the parts of the Central Rockies by Monday morning. Meanwhile, further extending from the northern plains, the parts of the Great Basin will slowly move eastward to the upper Great Lakes. By Monday evening, showers and thunderstorms will develop along and head of the boundary from the northern plains to the upper Great Lakes by Monday. In addition, showers and thunderstorms will develop over parts of the Ohio Valley by Monday evening. And in the meantime, weak upper level energy and flow of the Atlantic will aid the potential showers and thunderstorms over the parts of the southeast by Monday. Additionally, upper level trail will fart stagnant for the southeastern Canada will settle across parts of the northern New England by Monday evening, and showers and thunderstorms will develop over parts of the northern New England through Monday. Furthermore, the depression in front over the North Pacific will move onshore over the Pacific Northwest on Monday morning, moving into the northern Rockies by Monday evening. The boundary will aid in the produce and scattered light rain over the parts of the Pacific Northwest by Monday morning.
Remaining 100% the whole way around the track. But as Scott pointed out earlier, he probably has his
forecast discussion in New England. A few strong and severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon with the main threats being strong wind, gusts, and hail. This will be followed by mainly dry but breezy and warm more day. A backdoor cold front will move across the region Tuesday, bringing much cooler weather and chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Expect chilly, dry conditions, summer cool temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday, and another cold front may approach late this week.
headwind to 1 and tailwind to 3.
And 10:30 a.m. update near-term forecast. Fog is burned off in most of the eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island at 10:30 a.m. But low clouds persist in these areas, and in southern New Hampshire, central and western Massachusetts, and northern Connecticut skies. We're sunny over the next few hours, but partial sunshine should break out in eastern areas. 500 millibars, temperatures are 20 Celsius below zero, and forecast to warm only 18 Celsius by 003 with surface heating in the 75 range of Connecticut Valley and upper 60 near 70, a little far east. This will make a good deal of instability. Satellite imagery are short and rapid development of cumulus clouds and Cheshire scattered after. Expect scattered showers and thunderstorms for rapidly late this morning, especially this afternoon. Wipe forecast mostly activated eastern Massachusetts, but currently the best heated and most unstable lapse rates are in Connecticut and western Massachusetts. We have chance probabilities across the entire which may have kept the enhanced weather. The small hail gusts winds normally 06 kilometers bulk shear 35 40 knots could be sufficient for isolated wind gusts approaching severe limits, but main concern today is lightning and hail. This hail could reach 1 inch down and any stronger storms. Since there's a lot of outdoor recreation this Memorial Day weekend, people should pay a close attention to the sky and remember, when thunder wars, go indoors. Here. And let us take a look at the map. Few strong and severe thunderstorms possible this afternoon. Mixture of clouds and sun. High 60s, coast